Alex Maskey is a Northern Irish politician who has been Speaker of the Northern Ireland Assembly since 2020 and was the first member of Sinn Féin to serve as Lord Mayor of Belfast from 2002 to 2003. He was Sinn Féin's longest-sitting councillor, representing the Lagank electoral area of Belfast. He was also an MLA for Belfast West for 2 periods and also for Belfast South. Maskey was educated at St Malachy's College and at the Belfast Institute for Further and Higher Education and then worked in Belfast docks as a labourer and barman. He was a successful amateur boxer, having only lost 4 out of 75 fights. After the Troubles began in the late 1960s, he became involved with the Provisional Irish Republican Army and was interned twice in the 1970s. Maskey stood unsuccessfully in West Belfast in the 1982 Assembly election. In June 1983, Maskey won a by-election and became the first member of Sinn Féin to be elected to Belfast City Council since the 1920s. He was greeted with boos and jeers when he entered the chamber for his first council meeting, and unionist councillors started stamping their feet and screaming when he attempted to deliver his maiden speech in Irish. Maskey emerged as a key ally of Sinn Féin President Gerry Adams' approach to the strategy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.